Welcome to the Vermilion Public Library's February Take and Makes. This month we're making wire words. This is the end result. In each kit you will have a template, yarn, pipe cleaners. You'll also need glue and scissors for this. First things first, you're going to get your pipe cleaners and you're going to twist them all together, just like this, just so that they're right on the ends of each other, so they're not going to pull apart. Just like this, so they're flat. Once you have that, start on one end. You're going to put a little bit of glue right on the end. Hot glue can work well, might work better actually, but I'm just going to use some Elmer's glue right on the end. And I'm going to take my yarn end. I'm just going to wrap that around and give it a good pinch. Make sure it holds on to the pipe cleaner. Now you can wrap it as tight or as loose as you'd like. I like a bit of the silver showing through. I think that's cute. And so now we're just going to wrap our yarn around the pipe cleaner, all the way down until the yarn's gone, all used up, I should say. So here I am right at the end of wrapping the pipe cleaner in the yarn. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this end as well, just so that it holds while I'm bending the words to the stencil. And I'll wrap this last part. And I'm just going to pinch that and cut off the excess yarn. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to bending the wire. And I'm just gonna follow this template, give it a nice pinch, kind of bend it where I need it to go. And with the O in love, to get it across to the V, I'm actually gonna cross it, and then I'm gonna feed the pipe cleaner through the O. Just like that, and then up into the V. And then I'm going to come back down, so I'm going to pinch it at the top of this V here, and I'll come down and back around, and then I'm going to come across the E, and to hold that there, I'm going to feed it back through like we did with the O. Okay, like that, right into the end of the E here. And you can cut that off and glue the end down on the yarn, or you can pinch it through like this. It's really up to you. But now you also have your why words. You can include it on like a Valentine decoration. You can hang it up, whatever you like. It's all up to you. So thank you for joining me. I found this craft actually on Creative Bug, so check that out if you're looking for ideas for some crafts. Baking, all that kind of stuff is on there. Thank you.